Hey everybody, this is my friend Laura and she found me on TikTok. So she'll probably see all of your comments. So look at these roots. So she came to me as a consult and I didn't have any time for like 2 months to get her in. So this is my sectioning pattern. See that spot in the middle? I'm going to leave depth there. So we are going to, my two choices were to bleach her out or to add the dimension back in. So I decided to add the dimension back in her hair to give herself more of a lived-in color. So I have to do highlights, lowlights, color blending. So here I'm using my Nomad foil board and I'm going in with Oligo Pro and I'm applying Olaplex number 2 to her ends because her ends were pretty damaged from a previous color correction from a bad color job she got before. So this is my first time doing her. So right now I'm going to apply a level 9 in sort of an ashy color, and then up at the top I'm using a level 6, and then I'm going to blend them into each other. And here I'm doing the same thing, putting the level 6 at the root area and the level 9, and I'm going to take my Framar brush and I'm going to blend those two colors into each other. And I'm doing deep weaves for a reason, because her hair is really fine, and when you do deep weaves you get more of a blend with fine hair. If you do too fine of a weave, you are going to get some, it's just all going to blend together. You're not going to see any difference. So here I am doing her super money piece, which, by the way, it looked fierce when I was done, and you will see that soon. So just going ahead, doing that money piece, and then I'm going to have to go in and put that dark behind it that's going to fall over it. So you're going to see, I'm going to shake it out. I'm going to see where it falls. I'm going to split it in half, and then I am going to swipe on the level 6, and then I'm going to weave the two pieces, and I'm going to take one up high and one up low with the level 6, going down a little bit lower, and then the other one, it'll be a little bit higher. So when it comes down in that fine weave, it just kind of blends together. And then I'm going to go ahead and I am going to do the other side again, putting in the level 6 and then bringing down the level 9 onto her ends to blend it all in. So here I'm doing like a horseshoe pattern. I'm going around with a deep angled back, and you're going to go ahead and you are going to highlight the root area, and again apply Olaplex number 2 to the ends, weaving, putting in those deep slices, and now I am putting in my low lights to give that beautiful dimension, because the dark hair makes the light hair pop. And now I'm going to color melt it just in case I missed anything. Now I'm doing the front, and I'm going to bring those all forward because those are going to leave that graduation to leave depth behind that blonde. Doing the same thing on the front section, and just bringing the level 9 through her ends, combing it through to blend, and here is the ending. The depth is put back in, the shadowy roots, the dark behind the blonde to make the blonde pop is absolutely amazing. Lived in color, absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Laura, for coming in.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the ding dong.